Hey Beautifuls, it's Ashley Desires and I'm here again with another video. And if you guys have not seen part one of how I created highlights into these 1B natural bundles, make sure to go check that out. Part two is of me installing them on my client and I can't wait to show you guys the process. So let's get into this install. This is a lace closure sew-in, and this is the braid down I have for all of my lace closure sew-ins. Very flat. Here are the bundles, and look at all those highlights. Look at all those dimensions. It's so pretty, and I can't wait for you all to see it on her. With every lace closure install, I do love to add a cap. And as you can see, that lace closure is down flat, okay? Like, you shouldn't have it any other way. And I always do glueless installs, but if someone asks for install with glue, I can do that as well. Here is the first bundle, super thick. I wanted to make sure I added all of them. Like, I wanted to add all of those highlights because I worked hard on those things, you know. Mama's got to get her money's worth. Right here, I'm working on the second bundle, and then throughout, I'll be showing you how the second bundle looks, and then I'll be showing you the third one. But right now, I'm just installing all of the hair onto her head. So here is the last bundle, and I wanted to do pin curls on her because it's like I said, mama's paid for these highlights, so we gonna see these highlights. So I was like, you know what, let's just do them. And this is how I do my curls. If there's any other way you guys do them, you can comment down below. And if you guys have ever tried to do the highlights the way I did them, please DM me on Instagram at Beautiful Desires or at Beautiful Desires Hair so I can see it and see, what I could do with my new highlights or what you could do with yours. But I honestly love doing highlights, and I hope that most of my clients do request them. So remember, if you ever want to book with me, please click the link in my description box. It will redirect you to my appointments tab on my website, and you can book through there. Now that I'm done with the pin curls, I let them set, and look at all this beauty. Like I said, I want to do highlights more. Like, look how pretty that is. It's fabulous. So now after they're done setting, I take them out and I use a wide tooth comb and I comb out everything and making sure that it's framing her face because you want it to look good. You don't want it to look lopsided. You want to make sure that bang area is like swooped perfectly for her. And it's just all about playing with the hair and seeing what fits best. So now that I see where I want the bang to be, I do push it back to set it just a little bit more while I'm working on the baby hairs. But some people don't want them. I think baby hairs just completes the whole entire look. And I felt like it was perfect for this look as well.
Bitch, but I look cute as fuck.
So as you can see, my client loves her hair and honestly, she looks fabulous. Like these highlights look amazing on her. It's breathtaking. I love it. You know, it would be a perfect, even make this look even more perfect if the inches were like super long. Oh my gosh, that would be an extra look. But I'm loving this. I'm loving it a lot. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share, Beautifuls. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget, link in my description box to shop. And follow me on Instagram at Beautiful Desires and at Beautiful Desires Hair. And I'll see you all at my next video. All right? Bye.